Hey, what's up, my people? What's up? Oh my gosh, I missed you guys so much, and I'm so sorry that it's taken me so long to get back here. But do you guys like my new backdrop? My new background? My accent wall? Whatever it's called. If you want to figure out how I did this, make sure you go check out Study Room Makeover Part 1 and 2 so that you can figure out how to do this in your own room. It's super fun. I took the Il Makiage quiz, and first of all, I got 2 different numbers, so I ordered 2 different ones because, you know, we wanted to see how real this was. Because first of all, if I took a quiz and it's supposed to match me, like, why is it giving me 2 different numbers? Anyway, so we have their foundation. I think I ordered the 215 and the 230, and then I know in like Makeup World those are probably 2 very drastic numbers, I know. And then I ordered the concealer as well in 14.5, 14.5, whatever. So we're gonna unbox those right now. Already? All right, let's go.
Does it let you to break my trust? Break my trust. Nothing was enough, so it led you to break my trust.
And this is number 230. Flip up the bottom. So it opens like that. And this is what the bottle looks like. Oh, I'm over here doing this when all you gotta do is that. Oh my gosh, I'm already failing at life. Okay, so I'm really so nervous for this, but I'm also so excited for this. All right, enough talking, Dink. Let's see what this is about. So this is 230. Okay, and let's see. This is 230. This is like, oh my god, this is already looking lighter than my face. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. I'm also blind, y'all. So I feel like I can't see that well. Just add some more to see if it really is my skin complexion, or I'm gonna get myself so retarded. So honestly, I feel like it's lighter than me, which is crazy. Anyway, do you see the difference? We'll use this to apply it. So my right side is 230, my left side has 215. Do y'all see a difference? Because I don't think I do. Guys, I can't tell the difference between these 2 numbers. I'm gonna try their concealer. So I'm excited for this because Yeah. Looks like the concealer I always use. That's all I got for y'all. Il Makiage. I really don't know. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These are two of them side by side. This is $230 and this one's $215, and I don't know. I can't really tell you if the quiz really matched me because I'm still confused. Like, did y'all see a difference between $215 and $230? Because I don't know if I did. Maybe I didn't use enough. It's not giving me like, wow, she doesn't have to be a makeup artist to do her makeup and look flawless vibe. So we'll stick with our friendship. I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me.